up your doors today, 'cause Abu Hassan is on his way. Go in hiding, when I go riding, there's me and my 40 thieves. Your wives and children and money too, I stealing from you before I'm through. I'm out gunning, so start in running, from me and my 40 thieves. Abu Hassan. Abu Hassan. My gang's the roughest, but I'm the toughest, and that's no lie. Abu Hassan. Abu Hassan. You've got to hand it to this bad band, 'cause I'm one terrible guy. Abu Hassan. Abu Hassan.
I got a surprise.
Oh, you have, huh? Left guard, right tackle, percent, arms hip. Vice versa. As you were, attention, right up.
Oh, if you aren't up to.
Attention, everybody! Alarm! Abu Hassan, the bandit, loots town and escapes. Last seen headed that away.
Oh, which away?
That away!
Whoa! All the arms. All hands on deck. Clear the deck for action.
Wait for me.
Hey, this ain't nothing for women. We're out hunting bandits. Sealant zero, Visacapelagi, Lero. Maybe we better try it across the street, huh? Skip the gutter. Maybe I should trade this in. Something is definitely wrong. I'm right, it's wrong. I wish there was a boardwalk on this beach, huh? If I had some bread, I'd make a sandwich if I had a witch.
Food! Oh, bitter disappointment.
Oh, Wimpy. Would you care to join us, young fellow, huh? You know, that's just one of those invisible garages that you can't... Here, I'll squelch your thirst for you. This is on the house.
Is that good? Oh.
I'll ask in here for bandits. But first, we'll go get a cup of coffee over here.
Oh,
Come on in.
goody goody in my car.
Aren't we all, huh? Boy, this place is wide open. Well, I wonder where everybody is around here. Maybe it's closed for the winter. Service.
Yeah, that's what we want. Service.
Service. Oh, there you are, huh? Hey, what is this, double talk or something? I didn't send out any laundry. I can read reading, but I can't read write. This writing's rodent rotten, if you happen to ask me, huh? Hey, this Chinese is Greek to me.
Everybody, flash! Attention, everybody! Calling all towns and villages, beware! You better lock up your doors today, 'cause Abu Hassan is on his way. Go in hiding when he comes riding. There's him and his 40 thieves. Your wives and children and money, food and pillage, there's none he'll spare. Abu Hassan! Abu Hassan! If he should spy you, then we defy you to cross his path if you dare.
Abu Hassan.
Abu Hassan!
When things get quiet, I start a riot as I go by. Abu Hassan. And you'll discover they run to cover, 'cause I'm a terrible guide.
Hey, what is it? Oh, hey, guys. Hey, are you guys the 40 Thieves? Well, that's right.
Hot dog! Oh. Hot dog! What, another illusion? I can't understand it.
Come on. Oh, there's a big bag of wind blowing through here someplace. I'll figure it
Hey,
out.
shirt!
Shirt! Hey, give me back me shirt. What's the big idea? Stop in the name of the Coast Guard. Come on, give me closer. Who are you, Al?
Oh, you little tough guy.
Can I make a good model, huh? Take me home for $1.98, huh? But half the price, I'll tell you that.
2 cents, right?
Whoa. Hey, your penknife's dead. I'll straighten it out for you.
Oh, I show you. Abu Hassan. Wait, get clever. Take the river. Each time I fall. Abu Hassan. Now make no error. I'm called the terror of every village and town.
Hey, what am I hanging around here for? Come on, let's go. Oh. That's using your head. Where did those guys go to? Wait till I get a hold of that fella. I'll show him a thing or two. He can't get away with it. Oh, taxi. Follow that Abu Hassan guy, will you? Come on. Get going. They're way ahead of us. Atta boy, show 'em your heels. Wake up there. What's the matter? You asleep or something? Oh. Hey, you got 4 flats. No wonder you can't run. Come on there, camel cage. Step on it. Let's get going there. What's the matter? Whoop.
Zashi. Shashi.
Oh, this watch is getting heavier and heavier, and oh, Popeye! My darling, my sweetheart!
Hey, what is this? I may be a shorty, but I lick the 40.